In this video, we will see how to use name box in Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet. Name box, this is name box. When you select any cell, the name box show the address of selected cell. Okay. If I selected M11, you can see the M11 is the address of selected cell. Okay. So if you want to use the name box the different way, so if I here write just number 20, 50, 30, okay, and just select it, and you can edit here name cells, okay, and just enter. And when you use some formula, I just use the sum bracket open, just write the cell. You can see here the cell is show here in your drop down list. Just select it, bracket close, and just enter. You can see here the total 113 sum is calculated. If you want to use the average for average function, then you can just use average, sorry, tab, and just write cell. Okay, you can see in drop down list cell is selected, tab. You can see here when you cell is selected, tab, the data is automatically selected, and just close the bracket, enter. The average of this amount is 28.25. Okay, that's it. Hope you understand how to use the name box for your file. If you have a huge data, if you want to some calculate some using formulas, functions, then use this trick. If you like it, please subscribe my channel.